In today's video, I'm going to show you Durable.ai review. Durable AI is an AI-powered website builder and small business platform that promises to generate a full website complete with content, design, images, and forms in about 30 seconds from a few simple prompts. It also bundles additional tools like a basic CRM, invoicing, AI marketing tools, and SEO features into one dashboard, making it a potential all-in-one business launch solution. One of Durable's biggest strengths is speed and ease of use. Many users report that it's very beginner-friendly, with a simple dashboard and minimal setup required, even without design or coding experience. The AI does a lot of heavy lifting, generating layouts, copy, and stock visuals, and you can publish with a custom domain on paid plans. This makes it attractive for solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small service businesses that need an online presence fast. However, limitations are real, especially in customization and advanced features. Durable's design flexibility is restricted compared to builders like Wix or WordPress, with many templates feeling similar and lacking deep control over layout and UI. It also doesn't offer strong e-commerce tools or exportable site code, which can be a drawback if you need sophisticated storefronts or later migration options. Some reviewers also note that AI-generated content can feel generic or inaccurate for niche businesses. User feedback beyond official reviews is mixed. Many share that Durable's speed and integrated tools help them launch quickly and focus on operations rather than tech, but some others report frustrations like limited control, SEO concerns, or support issues. Community threads show both positive experiences with business validation and negative ones where users felt restricted by the platform. In summary, Durable AI is a legitimate and useful tool for simple, fast website creation, especially if you're launching a service site and don't want to hire a designer. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.